Hi, this is Arham Ejaz. Welcome to my phonics video. We're gonna learn 5 letters. A, B, C, D, and E. Today, let's write A. This is A. Now let's see how to pronounce A. 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 A for apple. A. Apple. A for aeroplane. A. Aeroplane. A for ant. A. Ant. This is B. This is how you pronounce B. 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 B for ball. B. Ball. B for basket. B. Basket. B for basketball. B. Basketball. Now let's learn another letter. This is how we write C. K. This is C. K. 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 C for cat. K. K. Cat. C for cone. Cone. C for cake. 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 Let's write D. 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 Let's see how to pronounce D. 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 For done. D. For did. D. For do. D for duck. 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 D. D for day. D for date. D-A-T. Date. Let's write the last letter. Guess what letter it is? E. 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 Let's see how to pronounce E. 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 E for elephant. Elephant. E. E. E for eagle. E. E for equals. E. E. Equals. E for end. End. This is the end of the video. See you next week with new phonics. Look after yourself and look after other people around you. Goodbye.